Hey students, it's time to turn in your Paul Clay castle. So today during asynchronous art, what I want you to do is make sure that this drawing is finished. So if I'm a student, this one's not finished. I need to still color in all of my shapes. I think it's a good idea to color in your sky. Also, have that whole thing filled with color. It's going to look so much better if you have the whole thing colored in. Um, Last step that you could do, you don't have to do, is you could take a black crayon and outline all of your shapes too. That can kind of help. Not everybody needs it. If you've got bright, bold colors and it's looking really good and you think, nah, doesn't need it, you're fine. If your colors are a little lighter or you're not sure, you want your shapes to kind of pop a little bit more, take that black crayon and just outline your shapes. That'll finish it off nicely. Now, some kids are already done with this drawing, okay? So every kid needs to turn this in today. Okay, so when you get this finished, you're going to take a photo of it. So I want you to hold it in front of your computer like this. Click your photo and put a picture on your Chromebook. Okay, then you're going to turn it into Canvas. I'm going to show you how to do that on Zoom right now in case you forgot. I've showed you how to do it before, but if you don't remember how, just hold on and I'll show you in a second. What I also want you to do, if you're already done, so if your castle is done, I want you to work on a second drawing. This second drawing is up to you what you draw. I've got two choices, okay? Choice number one, draw another castle. But this time, no rules, free drawing, draw and color in a castle from your imagination, however you want to do it. It could still be abstract if you want it to, or you could draw it realistically. It's up to you. It's a free drawing of a castle, okay? Or if you like drawing in the Paul Clay style, use his style, which is like building blocks, so like an abstract building blocks, but maybe draw something familiar like your own house, okay? So could you draw your house, but an abstract version of your house where you make it with little rectangles and squares, okay? Or maybe it's an abstract version of an imaginary house that you want to live in someday. Doesn't have to be exactly your house. But again, it is up to you, okay? Take a picture of that one too, even if you don't finish it. So finish this one, take a picture, finish your other one, or don't finish your other one and take a picture also. Then you're going to go on and go to my Canvas page. So to remind you how to do this, okay, you're going to go into assignments, and I am going to click pause on my video for a second. Actually, hang on. Okay, so sorry, I had to pause my recording for a second to put this in here. So you are going to click on your assignments link on my Canvas page. Go ahead and do that. And then you, of course, are going to click in the Paul Clay castles right here. The other ones you're going to notice they're closed because those are older ones, except for the snow catcher. You could still turn that one in. I wouldn't mind seeing those if you have them done. But go ahead and take a look at the Paul Clay castles assignment. Click that. This is where you're going to submit it. So remember, you're going to click submit, and then you are going to upload a file. Oh my goodness, and look at this. Canvas has a new feature, and I am just discovering this right now. I bet I can use the webcam, and that is pretty sweet. So I can open up a camera and take a photo right from Canvas, which is exciting. That's exciting news. So then if you want to, though, if you've done more than one, click add another file and take a second picture. So if you did a second drawing, and in a second drawing so I can see it. I'd like to see your work. And then click submit, and then you're done, okay? So that's pretty sweet, guys. Just go on to Canvas, use the webcam to take a photo, and turn it in, all right? So I'm looking forward to seeing your Paul Clay work. Just get it done, make sure it looks good, turn it in, turn it in, turn it in, turn it in. A lot of kids were having trouble turning stuff in. Super important that you get it turned in so I can see your work. That's what I'm looking forward to, okay? And then after break, some of you are going to be in school and I'll see you in person. The rest of you that are remote will still be working live on Zoom, but we're going to start having art class live every single week. So that's pretty sweet. No more asynchronous after this week. We'll see you then. Bye.